Woodside Street and Canal. They're slow rolling me. Taking off eastbound on Woodside.
Yeah, what day is it?
10-4, Air 31, where you at?
Taking off eastbound on Woodside. East. 10-4, Air 31, where you at? They're making a ride up ahead.
Hey, would you believe I'm eyes on that guy? Red Chevy pickup truck. He just turned McQuaid and Carey Street, and he's coming back down McQuaid towards you, westbound. World track, just coming across Eastbrook. We're eyes on him.
IFDN, they're going northbound on Canal.
Hey, I'll give you the updates, but I got it. Don't worry about it. McQuaid and Canal is making the right turn northbound. It's a brand new 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500. Bright red, lots of chrome. Still northbound Canal Street.
You cut out. You advised you got on him?
I'm on him. He's back to Commonwealth. Westbound Commonwealth. Commonwealth. Westbound Commonwealth. Alright, he made a right turn on Penton Street. So that's northbound. I know we've had some radio issues. Penton and Kingston. He's kind of going back slow. He's made a right turn on Kingston Street. So everybody start getting in here. He's Kingston and Alameda.
Didn't get anything of that. Where did you say he was at?
Stop keying up. You're blocking me. Kingston and Alameda. Kingston and Alameda. Northwest corner. Stopped.
News 31 to signal 14 area visual and audio. Last minute to 20 was westbound. Commonwealth.
Kingston and Alameda. Kingston and Alameda. Northwest corner. 2203 Kingston Street. Six or 10 Kingston Street. Kingston Street. Jax, I know we're having issues. He's back moving westbound Kingston and Penn. Kingston and Penn.
Edgewood.
That's him. They got him. They got him. Looks like he's stopping. Nope, he's backing up. He's backing up Kingston and Penn. Kingston and Penn. Somebody tried to 1050 him again. He's northbound Alameda Street, if you guys can hear me. Northbound Alameda. All right, he's made the right turn on Division. If somebody can give me a quick key up and tell me if you've got him, or hear me. Division crossing the tracks, northbound Division. he's hearing me. He's northbound McDuff Avenue North, which I think is different than the regular McDuff, back in an industrial area behind some really big vertical tanks near the tracks.
Air 31, signal 14 here. Coming in 10-2, 13-10-1, visual, no audio.
10-4. I'm just going to keep trying. He's got some heavy front left damage. Hey, is the audio working on Air 1 yet? I just reset the radio. Any audio on Air 1?
We were hearing you on detail 1. You were coming across there, but you're not coming across Air 1. What do you want me to do? To get them to hear you. Hold on a second.
WW getting right here at Stockton Highway. Okay, so the airplane has one, we're coming up out 10, I'll back on once it's confirmed. So the airplane hasn't been responding. Air 31, still visual, no audio. There's I-10, it's going to be I-10 eastbound from Stockton, I-10 eastbound. Speeds are normal, I-10 eastbound. Can you see if Air 31 is going to give one of us a call, please? If this radio is not working up there. Jack, we're going to go 95 northbound. Once we clear this traffic, I'm going to drive it. down here on 352 Bravo. We're passing Stewart. Forsyth and Stewart. Headed downtown towards the jail. Forsyth and Stewart passing the villa. Connor, you want to take calls?
Yes, I don't know. We're still on Forsyth, coming over the speeds are, about 30 miles an hour. Traffic's light. Coming over Jefferson.
Jack, I'll use the clear level to play off the hill update. Forsyth and Jefferson, Forsyth and Jefferson.
Back off a little bit. Plane spotting.
What plane do we need to get, or what channel do we need to get on for the plane? Is he only on Air 1? That's what we done. They're slow right now coming through downtown. We get out of here and I get an opportunity out there.
Still on Forsyth, coming over Newman. Forsyth over Newman. On West Market Street now.
30, where you at? Right by the Sally Port. Pulling into the parking lot with the detective. He's in the battle. Right here, 511. 511. Going back to
Lighters.
Hey, John, tell us you want to hold down. I'm trying to get on before you stand by. Just advise when you get to 97, because they have me on hold for a few minutes. Chipmore. Jacksonville 119, we have a signal 3 holding also.
Boy.